नमस्ते फ्रेंड। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो श्री विष्णवे। Friend, I am telling you about the meditation. There are so many styles of meditation. Someone telling you open your eye and meditating. Someone saying close your eye and meditating. But it is a practice of attention. If you think to live cool and calm manner, you have to meditate in your life. Sitting style will be in lotus form. But meditation is not enough to get everything in your life. Meditation must give you the peace. But days after day, if you trying to meditate in yourself, you will reach to Kriya Yoga. Days after day, if you try to worship like through Kriya Yoga, you will reach Hatha Yoga. You know, first thing, practically we are watching in the planet. Someone is my father and someone is my mother, who are always protecting us. But you know, you have one spiritual father, that is God, and one spiritual mother, that is Goddess. How you can find your spiritual father? From the calculation of zodiac, you can find there is some ascendant. This ascendant controlled by the Narayan. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 12th house controlled by 12th form of Narayana. You can use as per your ascendant position one mantra. There is also another spiritual goddess which you can find from the sign of your zodiac. You can find from the sign who is your spiritual goddess, that is mother. Father and mother spiritually supports you. Spiritual father and mother also give you supports, give you blessing to live diseaseless, hassleless, tensionless, medicineless lifestyle. Then you have to proceed the meditation in cool and calm way. I watched some of the worshipper cannot going to the end in positive way. For that, I am telling you a shortcut mechanism method to apply in your meditating time, which will enable you. 7 chakra are being situated over the spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First chakra's end nerve will be available at this portion of the right palm. Second chakra's end nerve is available at this part of the finger. Third chakra's end nerve will available this part. Fourth chakras end nerve is available here. Fifth chakras end nerve is available here. Sixth chakras end nerve is available here. Seventh chakras end nerve is available here. In similar way, first chakras end nerve is available here. Second chakras end nerve is available here. Third chakras end nerve is available here. Fourth chakras end nerve is available here. Fifth chakras end nerve is available here. Sixth chakras end nerve is available here, and seventh chakras end nerve is available here. Our right part of the body bears the positive effect, positive part of the aura, and left part of the body bears the negative effect or negative side, negativity of the electrons made aura. Neuron comes from brain and reaches to the signal towards every part of the body. Then you have to energize or increase your neuron effect so fast. As a result, your aura will be high powered, and afterwards your physic oriented magnetism will be higher and dense. Then at meditating time you have to roll your palm finger in this way, in clockwise manner, very slowly, here is also roll it, then again return to like this way very slowly and roll over the left side like this way, and again you reach here, then again you roll over the left finger in this way, very slowly, and propagate it very slowly in this way, and roll it here again, it like this way, continuously, don't break it, continuously. So far you are sitting for meditating or worshipping. After 15 days you will find, you will realize that some heat generated within the palm and within the palm space. Then again roll your palm also, and your palm should be moved like this way, should be rolled like this way, then you will imagine that you are roll your palm over your body, close your eye, think here, your hand will roll over your body in this way, very slowly, like this way, then you will get fast result, and your body will generate high heat. Then you think, close your eye, from here you think you are entering within the sun and worshipping. In Hindu mythology there are so many mantras which you should utter with resonance effect. It will give the positive result, or densing the magnetism effect around your body, and your brain power will be higher. What you think, then result will come. What you desire, the result will come in your favor. You can realize, then you think, you realize that no need of medicine in a single tablet. Afterwards, after going through this is the stage of Kriya Yoga style. To continue it in long way, once you feel that you will enter the Hatha Yog level, at Hatha Yog level, what mantra you will utter, then you have to feel the meaning or imagine or visualize the god or goddess in your this place. One thing you know that most of the people are suffering from acidity. You know the goddess Shoni, it has enormous power to control the acidity, stomach disturbance. If you think Lord Shoni is sitting at just before or upper portion of the stomach, lower portion of the heart, then worship it, worship the Lord. It will give you, solve you the problem of acidity. Or if you think worship all god and goddess here, third eye, you should watch or you should visualize them once after another while you uttering the mantras, while you utter the mantra with very slowly try to make always resonance, then you will get enormous result, you will get miracle, you will be within the level of Hatha Yoga. You can help any patient from India to Australia, India to Argentina, in India to Mexico, India to US, India to Canada, India to Russia, India to Vietnam, India to Japan. I have experimented this thing. I think there are so many Hatha Yogi in India. They are much powerful. They are more powerful than me. I follow them. Pranam to every Hatha Yogi. Namaste. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Try it. God be with you.